Hi everyone, let's bake cookies. Cookies are fun and easy to make. Today we're making chocolate chip cookies. Everyone loves chocolate chip cookies, right? Get ready for a delicious adventure in the kitchen. These cookies are extra special. They're crispy on the edges and soft in the middle. The smell of baking cookies will fill your home. It's the best feeling ever. Before we start, let's gather our ingredients. We need flour, 2 1/4 cups, all-purpose kind, sugar, 1/2 cup, the white kind, brown sugar, 3/4 cup, packed tightly, butter, 1 cup or 2 sticks, let it soften, eggs, 2 large ones, straight from the fridge, vanilla, 1 teaspoon for that warm flavor, baking soda, 1 teaspoon, helps cookies rise, salt, 1/2 teaspoon, just a pinch, and chocolate chips, 2 cups. We love lots of chocolate. Make sure you have everything ready. Now let's move on to the fun part. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Now grab a big bowl and beat the softened butter, white sugar, and brown sugar together. Mix them until they are light and fluffy. Next, add the eggs one at a time. Don't forget the vanilla. Mix everything together well. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt. This makes sure the cookies rise evenly. Now, gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Mix until just combined, don't overmix. Finally, stir in those delicious chocolate chips. Now, scoop spoonfuls of cookie dough onto a baking sheet. Make sure to leave some space between each cookie. Bake for about 9 to 11 minutes. The edges should be golden brown. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Congratulations, you did it! You baked amazing chocolate chip cookies. Grab a glass of milk and enjoy. These cookies also make a wonderful gift for friends and family. Happy baking!